Good day all. Welcome to my channel Quick Tech Master Mariner. Do like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. In this video we will discuss gas instrument GX-2009, basic information, calibration and maintenance procedure. So let's begin.
Introduction. To ensure safe operation, all instruments must be used in compliance with the conditions of certification, relevant standards and code of practice. It is very important to study the instrument's instruction manual. Even though it's not necessary, we recommend that you have the instruments and all relevant accessories in front of you during this part of the courseware. Remark: always let the instrument warm up for 1 to 2 minutes before performing measurements or calibration. Recon GX-2009. General information. The Recon GX-2009 is a personal multi-gas detector to be worn for personal protection during entry and inspection of areas where gas dangers might be present. It is waterproof, has around 20 hours battery life and a loud buzzer. 4 different models are available for hydrocarbons with percentage LEL, oxygen O2, hydrogen sulfide H2S, and carbon monoxide CO. Hydrocarbons percentage LEL, oxygen O2 and hydrogen sulfide. Hydrocarbons percentage LEL, oxygen O2 and carbon monoxide CO. And hydrocarbons percentage LEL and oxygen O2. Since all models are practically identical in use, only the GX-2009A model, which is for hydrocarbons in percentage LEL, oxygen, hydrogen sulfide and carbon monoxide, will be used to illustrate the operation of the GX-2009. Turn the instrument on by pressing the Mode Power button for about 3 seconds until the alarm beeps, the light flashes and the instrument vibrates. During the startup sequence, the date and the battery condition is displayed, and once ready it will make 2 beeps. The display shows the gas concentrations, the battery level and the time. In fresh air, the gas concentration should be 20.9% for oxygen, 0% LEL for explosive gases, and 0 ppm for hydrogen sulfide and carbon monoxide. If any of the displayed gas concentrations are different from that of fresh air, the instrument needs to be adjusted to fresh air. Note that if the alarm is on, it can only be switched off once the displayed value is above the lower alarm level, which is 19.5% oxygen. It is then required to do a fresh air calibration before the alarm can be switched off. To do a fresh air adjustment, press and hold the air button. And keep holding it until adjust is displayed. Release the air button. If the alarm is still on, press Mode briefly to turn it off. The instrument is now calibrated against fresh air and ready to use. To turn the instrument off, press and hold Mode for about 5 seconds. Operation. The GX-2009 is used to monitor the level of oxygen, explosive gases, hydrogen sulfide and carbon monoxide during entry and inspection. If the oxygen level goes below 19.5%, the alarm will go on, the lights will flash and the instrument will vibrate. For the other sensors, the alarms are set to 10% LEL for explosive gases, 10 parts per million for hydrogen sulfide and 25 parts per million for carbon monoxide. If an alarm goes on, it can only be turned off once the reading in the display is over the lower alarm limit for oxygen and below the alarm limit for the other gases. Pressing mode briefly turns off the alarm. Maintenance and calibration. Automatic calibration with multi-mix gas. To be able to perform this, you need the required multi-mix gas and a valve which gives 0.5 litres per minute flow. The required multi-mix gas is 50% LEL methane, 12% oxygen, and 25 parts per million hydrogen sulfide, and 50 parts per million of carbon monoxide. With the GX-2009 turned off, press and hold the air and mode buttons until the instrument beeps and date is displayed. Press air twice until Auto Cal is displayed. Press mode to confirm. The expected concentration for each gas is displayed. Verify that these are the same as listed on the gas bottle. Press mode to confirm. Then attach the calibration adapter and open the gas flow. Let the gas flow for around 2 minutes. Then press mode to perform auto calibration. Remove the calibration adapter, then turn off the gas. The instrument will return to the Auto Cal screen. Press air 3 times until start is displayed. Press mode to confirm. Then the instrument will go through the normal startup sequence. Record the calibration in the instrument log. Maintenance and calibration. Sensor replacement. The life of a sensor is about 2 years, depending on temperature, humidity, contamination, etc. For safety and logistics reasons, it's recommended to change the sensors every 18 to 20 months. Remove the 2 small screws holding the sensor cover. Carefully loosen the sensor cover on each side with a small screwdriver. Carefully remove the sensor or sensors you want to change and replace with new ones. Replace the sensor cover and insert the 2 screws. The old sensors must be completely disposed of. Always calibrate the instrument after changing a sensor. Change of sensors must be recorded in the instrument log. Maintenance and calibration. Filter change. Remove the 2 small screws and carefully clip off the filter holder. Then remove the sensor cover filter, followed by the black rubber gasket. Finally, remove the 2 small white filter discs located on top of the LEL sensor and remove the black charcoal filter disc located on top of the carbon monoxide sensor. Replace the filter with new ones and reassemble. Record the filter change in the instrument log. Maintenance and calibration. External service or repair. If the instrument is returned from external service or repair, this must be recorded in the instrument log. If a repair report or similar is enclosed, file this in the instrument log section.